Alright, he's wrestling with the cord. These cords on the Orecks are soft, so they stick to it. It sticks to itself a little bit here and there. Let's see how it does. And again, I apologize for the lighting being funny. It's a very overcast day and it's cold, so. This camera is going to probably overboost the light and make it look kind of weird. But this is an ugly carpet. It's just real old and worn out, and the nap is crushed. But everything's coming out right out. These Oreck Orbiters will clean our carpet. Yeah, they're real good about restoring the texture of the carpet, even though it's not going to last for very long. Some people that are in the carpet business think you need a heavier machine, the one that's 70, 80, 90 pounds, but that's not so. What you do with this is you just slow down a little bit, and the aggression of the machine will take care of the weight factor that you don't have with it. Because the heavier machines, you can go a little bit quicker, it's true, because you got that extra head weight. But these, see, you just slow down a bit, and they'll do anything the big machines do, they'll just do it a little slower. Did you get the threshold of this closet? Yeah, it's all done. That closet's shutting off all our light. Yeah. So, these Oreck Orbiters, though, these are probably the best tool in carpet cleaning, is one of these things. If you don't have one, you're missing out. And if you have a big, heavy buffer, hey, those are cool, but have fun taking them up the stairs and load them in your van. This is easy. And it does a good job, and there's no heavy lifting, no backaches at the end of the day. Knee strain, none of that stuff. Yeah, but if you like your big 175, yeah, they're great. That's great. We're not trying to put them down. If I was working on one level place that's never gone upstairs, I'd love to have a 175 or a big orbital machine, but I'm not taking one up the stairs. I'll take this up the stairs. Here, and you can see kind of he started the door, so this this area's all undone. Oh, it's turning out real nice. Another thing about these orbital machines. All orbitals will do this. They have a way of standing the carpet back up when it's all matted down. They have something about them where they will help to restore the carpet fibers again. Not 100%, but they do a pretty good job of reestablishing the fibers if they're matted. We've taken some pretty matted carpets and unmatted them with this machine and just this pad. Oh, there's another thing. People talk about which pads to get. These are the cheapest pads you can buy. They're called the encapsulation pads. They're sold by Oreck Orbiter. We get them on Amazon. They're $10, $12 a piece. And one pad will last you 60 or 70, 2 or 3 bedroom apartments. The pads will last a long time. And I've gone over carpets with the carpet brush. We've got videos where you can see that. We've done everything we can, but you can't beat the pads. And I know there's fiber pads and all that out there, but I like these things. These absorb as they go, so you're taking dirt out that you won't have to extract later with your rug doctor or your chuck mount or whatever kind of extractor you're into using, your portable. These things just do these pads are wonderful. Yeah, I hope you can see this on camera, how the texture is being improved as it goes along. Well, the carpet's just turning blonde. Everywhere I go, the carpet's blonde behind it. When it's blonde, it's done good. It's beautiful. If you find your little bad area, you slow down a bit. We'll see when you get to these stains. Now let me, whatever they are, we'll see how that comes out. I'm going to stop and flip the pad over. Alright. And how often you flip the pad? People ask us how often you flip the pads. Well, I'll tell you, it's up to your discretion. You use your common sense. If you think the carpet's real dirty, flip the pad quicker. If you think the carpet's pretty clean, then go a longer ways with the pad before you flip it. Yeah, we're going over this with an extractor. So if the pad gets a little bit dirty, we're just actually scrubbing. It's absorbing some of the stuff up, but we're actually really just trying to give the carpets a good scrub because we're going to go over with the rough doctor and extract everything. Now, I did flip the pad even though I don't need to because we're going to extract. I'm taking care of this to make sure I'm not using a dirty pad on the carpet. When I think it needs flipped or washed out or replaced, I'll do that. But yeah, you basically, how often you flip the pad is up to your own discretion. I think you'd be better over here. Yeah, I'm trying to find a spot where I don't block off all the light. Because my shadow's heading towards the door and the wall. Alright, let's get up against the wall. Yeah, these orbiters, they don't wear you out to use them, so it's kind of nice if you've got to do a bunch of jobs in one day. You can do this for 8 hours and you won't be tired. This is the best friend a carpet cleaner can have. No matter what kind of business you're running, if you don't have one of these, you're missing out. See, look at the carpet just turning beautiful. And this is a very old, worn-out carpet too. Yeah, this carpet is not one that you can even rake, because there's just not enough of the carpet fiber left that you can rake it very good. It's just kind of, you just get it as clean as you can, and it kind of is what it is. We'll probably run the rake over just to make sure everything that is in there is going the same direction. But it's not going to look real impressive when that
This carpet
is
is like 8 or 9 years old. This is not a 1 or 2 year old carpet. This is an old carpet that's been used hard. And it's painted right on up.
Are those stains coming out?
There's a red stain that we didn't take out, but right over here where the bump machine's at, we didn't try to take it out either. Actually, I didn't see it until just now.
Okay, and there's these little things up here. We think they're probably cigarette burns. Man, it's so dark I can't even see in here. It's funny, I think the camera picks stuff up that I can't see because it's being so dark, but it kind of gives it an artificial boost. And so what you're seeing on screen is probably not really very accurate to what's going on. Because the corner right there is actually pretty dark to the naked eye, but the camera seems to be able to see it fine. So.
Yeah, I see a lot of people's videos, and when they're done, their carpets look terrible. And at first you think, man, they did a bad job of stuff running the video, but you figure out if they think it looks good and they stop the video, it probably does look good. It's just the video camera will kind of distort the truth.
Yeah, and it picks up moisture in the carpet, so if you have an area that's extra damp because you had to scrub a stain out, it's going to show up as a dark splotchy area on camera, but it's going to look fine to the naked eye. So.
Well, we did one the other day that's on YouTube, and when we looked at the video, the carpet looked horrible on YouTube, but in real life it was magnificent. We never stop them until they're done. So, but sometimes the camera will deceive the audience into thinking you did something halfway or really bad. This was kind of worn here.
All right, well, he's working on that a little bit. I'm going to show you the next room because this one does have some stains in it. And he has not pre-sprayed it yet, so I'm going to stop so he can pre-spray the carpet. We're going to use gasoline and a match, and then we're going to scrub it with the Oreck, so stay tuned.